Alright guys, this is tomasizabean and I got a little something special for you. A little New Year's present, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. Well, here's a pretty good scare. A really good train horn scare. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it and laugh at it because I laughed my ass off. Anyways, Happy New Year. Late.
Alright guys, got my keys in hand. Oh, poor little Nana, he's gonna get the shit scared out of him too. Whatever. Here goes nothing. Damn! You got the shit scared out of you, man. What's wrong?